I just arrived at Ulu Yam and now we have to line up to go in here.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be.
Hello, so I just finished the temperature check and registration with my name and phone number in case they track anyone with the virus, and then they will inform me. And now I'm waiting to go in.
Something about features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
Gonna go in now. Wait. So serious.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know.
Hi. Oh, Let me show you around. So
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
look at what I found. This is so cute.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that.
Hey guys, I found this beautiful spot. Look at all these orchids.